Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Facebook. Here we go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will scrolling down until you find this window of Facebook. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app. You will go here to this Play Store, you will search about Facebook. As you see, then you can update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.